Okay, this is a learning activity, the evidence. How can I help you? I decided to choose the electronic device, the computer, and now I'm gonna explain the five problems that we could find. Uh, in this case, we're gonna for because the example is similar and could function in the computer. The first, the work can be recovered candidate because usually when we are doing a working work, this maybe you can erase it and you was like, oh no, I have to write all that again. But no, I have the solution for this. So you will press Ctrl plus Zeta and this will come back and will be like some minutes ago. For example, if you were testing and you were writing up, for example, some phrase and you erase it, you can put Ctrl plus Zeta and you will change that and will function for you. This could help you with picture and with test. The problem is the picture and the test. When we are gonna do like an exposition or maybe a word, we would like to put up a picture and images to explain what ad or show something. So when you put this have like a format that could be there in a left or in the right. So picture could be put down the desk, couldn't it? The question is yes. You have to touch the images and you have like some option like the color, like the way to move, and that's it. And we wanna change the way to move this. So they will have some option where you can select and use move up and move down is the most people use. And this will fit so you can put a little or bigger the picture and this will help you too much. Other problem is the button will be changed for a new one. Sometimes the people use too much a button, like for example the control, it's so used in these cases to control plus C, control Z, or control V. Yeah, so button will be changed for a new one, of course, but it depends on your computer because you can go and buy a new, but you have to be careful because depends on the computer, like I was saying. If you can do by yourself, it's easier because sometimes in the computers, table computers, will be easy because you just take it off and that's it. But for example, if we are talking about a Punctual, it's so different because last year, my button were so destroyed because I left all my computer. So I have to carry it to a place and they have to take it off all the buttons and just put that and then put it again and they have to like an order and a function. So if you can't do it yourself, you will go to other place and do the correct way, please. Another problem is overheating. This used to press too much. PC will be free of the overheating. Uh, we can prevent this if we don't put our computer in a place where the air don't move. So they will be like the solution first. But if they always overheating, we have two options more. One is put a fan and let it this fine. Or the other is like to more time. You don't have to put all the moment the fan, so it will be into the computer. So this is easier, but it's much cost than the first. So it depends on the person, well, what way you want to work this. And that's it because the data storage is sort of function because can be never like it. You have to lay information you don't use. For example, audio not for you're not going to use later, or documents or PDF that maybe you download that you don't want, and this could version your computer. Or maybe in some cases the USB, someone have like a virus. So advice for a start is like clean always before into this computer and they use it. And if case that you have the virus, you have to clean like the computer and of course again the USB. And that's it. I think that the problem and I'm using the question and describe the solution. Thank you so much.